Straight from the city of love, the pride of every Ilonggo music enthusiast. This is MAKBAKAN Audio Classic of San Joaquin, Iloilo, owned and managed by Sifulan Brothers, powered by DNS Soundworks of Team Turbo.
This is MAKBAKAN Audio Classic. MAKBAKAN Audio Classic, owned by the two engineers, Sifulan Brothers, powered by DNS Soundworks by Master Touch.
Lock it in just like that.
And I'll shout out si Don Diven Solusyon. Sinari? Kay Adrian Villanueva. Nagmay ka mga letra mo, api pare. Sa gymshot na itong gali, sila ni Liga Unya. Ilo around the world. Nga nag-tutok subong sa doon nga maskara, pabungol sa baywalk. Okay, once again, Bugal sang San Joaquin, Iloilo, owned by Mr. Julius Sifulan and Sifulan Brothers and Family, powered by Turbulence, powered amplifier, the two diamonds of Team Turbo. Ladies and gentlemen, MAKBAKAN Audio Classic.
Satisfying clarity, never been heard intensity, and satisfaction guaranteed. This is MAKBAKAN Audio Classic of Barangay Matambok, San Joaquin, Iloilo, owned and managed by Sifulan Brothers, powered by DNS Soundworks and Team Turbo. This is the mix of MAKBAKAN.
Gina pa na eh.
Ano na bigyan ko?
Oo. Ciao. 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 Ba?
This is the mix of MAKBAKAN. DJ Maui Remix.
DNS Soundworks.
All the way from the city of love, the pride of every Ilonggo music enthusiast. This is MAKBAKAN Audio Classic of San Joaquin, Iloilo, owned and managed by Sifulan Brothers, powered by DNS Soundworks of Team Turbo.
This is MAKBAKAN Audio Classic. MAKBAKAN Audio Classic. Owned by the two engineers, Sifulan Brothers. Powered by DNS Soundworks by Master Touch.
Alam mo na ba? Lang. Ano?
Diamonds. MAKBAKAN Audio Classic. MAKBAKAN Audio Classic.
Skyplex.
Maya-maya mas babawas sa Skyplex. Babaw. Titik Skyplex. Okay, so once again,